Okay, now that you have downloaded Unity, it's going to be found by going to your search bar and type in Unity Hub. And at this point, you could create a bookmark or you could add it to your desktop or whatever would make it easier for you because you're going to be going into and out of it quite a bit. But when I go to my Unity Hub and I click on it, this is the screen that shows up. Now, I'm going to skip a lot of explanation and because it's not really going to help you. I'm going to tell you what you need to install and you're going to trust me on the rest of it. So when you go to installs, you'll see um, the latest program files. And in this case, we're going to be installing 2022-3-20. Now, if you are watching this video 2 years from now, this is going to be different because they're going to have, more updates. So you will click on Install Editor, and you see we've got that same file name, 2022-3-20 F1. And this is going to be your long-term support. And because we are publishing this to the web, our game, when we're finished with it, we're going to need long-term support. So we're going to go ahead and install that. You will click Install. If you notice down here, this is a 2021 version. We want the latest version. So when you click Install, it will give you what we need to continue. Now, once you are done with that, we are going to go to install. No, that's not it. An add module window will appear, but because I've already taken care of this, it's not going to appear for me. But a window will pop up that says add modules. You're going to scroll down to WebGL build support. You'll select it and then click install. Because I have already installed it, it's not going to show I'm not going to be able to show you how to do that. So it'll be install editor 2022-3-20 install. When it's done, add modules will show up. You're going to scroll down to WebGL build support, select it, and then click install. I'm going to pull another window over here for you so that you can see what that's going to look like. So we've already installed. And we've already clicked that. And then this pops up. Let me get you there. WebGL build support. Install. Okay. And if you have any questions on this, Unity is really, really good about providing video tutorials for you. If this is confusing to you, you can use those tutorials, which is where I pulled my information from, and it just makes it simpler to follow. But because I've already done this, you're not going to see the same thing that I see. And we're going to, oh, excuse me. Once you've got this complete, we'll move on to the next step.